Okay, it is Friday, August 24th, 2018. It's like 9 p.m. and Vanberg had asked me to do a startup of the York. Actually, I think a startup and shutdown, but so I decided that we decided that it would be cool to do a startup and shutdown of both units. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. This is probably gonna be the last one of the year. So until the first startup. I don't know, maybe not, but we'll see. So, I kind of doubt that. But I decided it'd be cool if I tried to do it at night. I don't know if I've ever really done this before. So, we're going to give it a try. And we're going to start with the Guardian because I just tried to do the York and I failed. But now I fixed I have a solution to what I'll do for that setup. So basically, I got my recycle bin, and I'm just gonna aim my GoPro with the tripod down at the Guardian. It should be pretty cool. Alright, let's go fire it up. Alright, so there's the startup of the Guardian. So, yeah, this is a 4-ton from 2007. It does have a Bristol reciprocating compressor. And, of course, microchannel. Which I actually just realized as microchannel not too long ago. So I was kind of disappointed when I realized it. I don't know how I just figured it out. But yeah. I still like this unit even though it's got microchannel. It's like I said, 4-ton 2007. Yeah, also next year when I clean the York and the Guardian, I'm gonna seriously give these things a deep cleaning. Like, I'm gonna take the fan grill off and probably get some coil cleaner and everything. Just give these things a really good cleaning so they'll work really well next year. Try and keep them alive, especially the York, as long as possible. So that I might actually do that like in March or February, like right before we turn them on. The Guardian probably won't come on until May or into April. So, but yeah, I'll probably do it like in March rather than June. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the shutdown of the Guardian now. There's the Bristol recip. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the York now. So for the York, I'm going to set my tripod on the unit and point down at the fan grill. Alright, so there we go. Let's just start up with the York. Should be a pretty good setup. I could probably try a setup like that with the Guardian too. I was just thinking about that. I'll do that next time. So, yeah, the York is a 2.5 ton from 2001. It's original. The house has a Bristol reciprocating compressor, which I'll show better when we shut it off. Yeah, really nice unit. So, I guess let's go ahead and shut it off before their Trane comes on right there and ruins the video. Well, perfect timing there, I guess. What do you know? Alright, so there's a startup and shutdown of both units. And a startup of the Trane, I guess. If you want to include that. So, yeah, let me mention this real quick. The last couple times I've been doing startup and shutdowns, I've been thinking, it's not really, like, I love doing startup and shutdowns, but at the same time, like, I don't really like doing it, because, I don't know, I'm just really worried that, I just get really worried when I do it, that it's gonna mess up the units. Let me know in the comments if I'm right about that at all, or if I should not worry about that. But especially the York, since it is, what, 17 years old now. So yeah, there's the Bristol reciprocating compressor. Love this unit. Hope it lasts forever. I mean, obviously it's not going to, but yeah. Start up and shut down of both my central air conditioners at night. It's over and out.